My name is Uday Sandeep from the Sparks Foundation, working as Data Science and Business Analytics intern. My task 8 is to create a timeline series and dashboards showing spread of COVID-19 cases. For this, we have to apply Plotly and Matplotlib libraries for visualizing and creating dashboards on the data. My problem statement is to create timeline and interactive dashboards on the data. For that, I imported required libraries here and checking our dataset which is imported into our Jupyter notebook and finding total number of cases of various states in India and finding active cases of various states in India here and visualizing the data of various states here using some colors so that the dark color represents high number of cases and the light color represents low number of cases of various states in India. And I plotted in a descending order of number of cases in India here, and these are graphical representations of different number of cases of various states in India, and those I just represented in Plotly so that we can hover our cursor to see exact number of cases in that particular state. So this is a Plotly graph representing various cases and total number of cases of various states in India, and this is also a Plotly kind of graph, and here this is a scatter plot of various states and their total number of cases, and this is also a scatter plot, and this is a line plot using Plotly so that we can estimate number of cases in that particular state, and this is also a Plotly graph. So we can hover our cursor to see number of cases, and that is a scatter plot, and this is also a different number of bar plots representing total cases or active cases on particular state in India. And here I am identifying locations for timeline data on the map so that for each state I have to plot on a map so that I just acquiring latitude and longitude of that particular state to plot that state on the map regarding the number of cases here, so that I will show you now that. Here by this map we can visualize various number of locations and their different number of cases regarding the bigger circle represents more number of cases and the smaller circle represents less number of cases. We can drag this map and find out various locations and their respective cases there, and here I am checking how the virus is rising globally, and that is the following code there, and solution for the problem statement by visualizing various graphs here, and I visualized how the virus is growing in India regarding with respect to dates, and the confirmed cases in India regarding respect to dates here. This is the visualization graph for that. And here I visualize how the cases are growing in Italy, and here I visualize how the cases are growing in Korea, and here I visualize how the cases are growing in Wuhan, and here it is a scatter plot of confirmed cases in India and confirmed cases using line plot and confirmed cases in India using Plotly, so that we can hover our cursor to find different number of cases over that point, and a Plotly kind of graph, and it is also a line plot using Plotly kind of graph, and this is a Plotly. And here by this graph we can visualize that the total cases which are rising on 4 different countries, as we can visualize how the cases are rising on 4 different countries using Plotly graph. This is a wholesome graph with 4 different countries, and by going forward we can plot these in a line plot so that we can hover our mouse and see how the total number of cases are rising in a particular country. And on going further, I want to represent how the cases are growing on a particular date across the world, so that this is the following code for that, and here I just do what is the date and that confirmed cases here, and for that I just want to represent the confirmed cases for a particular date on a graph, so that I will represent that. And here this is a plotly kind of graph, so that it will represent how the recovered cases and deaths and confirmed cases, as the blue line represent confirmed cases and the green line represent recovered cases and the red line represent deaths of different dates. And here the following code for how the cases are rising across the world for a particular date, and we have the timeline series, so that we can represent it by moving this cursor, I mean this button over here. We can represent how the cases are changing across the world. So this is a plotly kind of thing. So I did this using ggplot. So on the map we can visualize how they are growing using this timeline series. So this is my project or task. Thank you. Thank you for the Sparks Foundation for this opportunity.